Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are presenting some OE words sounding as OA. So let us see. Like we have tro, do, fo, ho. Now let us see some sentences having OE words. Count your toes. How many do you have? Count your toes. How many do you have? I have 10 toes. I have 10 toes. Oh, I need to clip my toenails. Oh, I need to clip my toenails. My papa says I need a hoe to weed the grass. My papa says I need a hoe to weed the grass. The doe likes to play in the garden. The doe likes to play in the garden. Then my papa went to the shop to get a nail cutter and a hoe. Then my papa went to the shop to get a nail cutter and a hoe. So in this picture we have some OE words like to, do, ho, etc. So friends, these are some OE words and sentences. If you like the video, then please like and share the video and do subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching the video and keep watching for more such videos. Thank you.